Good morning. Just chilling here on Sanibel Island. What? I know, I saw her. You're not gonna believe what just rolled up. What? Right here, why that lady's standing there.
What? Oh, that's a beaut, Clark.
I know, I want to stand here for a couple of minutes.
Are you waiting for more?
I just want to, it's like there's a ledge right there.
There's a half of one over there, but it's only half of it. It's about that big around. But I mean, it's only part of it.
Will you hold this for a second? Yeah. I'm just gonna stand right here for a couple of minutes. No, it's not. Pretty crazy. All right, it's too cold for me to be standing in that water.
I think the red tide is not as bad.
Yeah, I've only coughed once. So as much as I would like to stand in there and watch shells wash up, it's cold. Colder than I am used to. You watched my previous video, that shell I just walked on up to, that has to be the best walk up we have ever had. Not counting finding Junios, but I just couldn't, I'm just still in shock. Best find of the trip. This tide is still going out, so maybe on our walk back, stuff will be exposed. But that's what you need. You need like the heaviness to push. You need the social distancing. Still a thing, people. You need the heaviness to push those big shells up. And wow, that was a lucky walk upon. And Robert found a whelk this morning too that was in perfect shape, so maybe tonight will be a good night. It's a lot calmer. I like it. Excuse me. Trying to trick me there. I can't believe I walked up to that shell. There's people walking by and no one picked it up. Well, that's a weird shaped collared clam. That's a weird one, Clark. Glad I'm wearing my water shoes. What is that one? Oh, it's beat up, but and this is why I walk the shoreline, because every once in a while something awesome will wash up and I'm too impatient to sit in one spot. fish. I think that's the first dead fish that we've seen this morning. There's a bird. He found a fish. Now, honey, when I found that, I was just talking about how there's so many feet that means there has to be a whole bunch of... Oh, first piece of sea glass for the day.
I could be so COVID-ridden, and people wouldn't even know.
I know. Social distancing, people, still a thing. No, I don't know what that is. We'll keep it. Couldn't tell if it was a tooth or a bean or something. It's an interesting turkey leg. Did he have something in him?
That one back there did. Not that one.
Yeah, this is like a whole new shell pile from last night. I think these are just sea beans. Yeah. Oh, that's a good find.
I like the little
That's
ones.
a good find. Oh, is that what you saw?
Yep.
Very nice. There's a broken piece of tulip. That's a bummer. Alright, we're here on Sanibel, just walking. And it's a mixture between low tide and high tide. Low tide is still another hour, but we're doing awfully good. And actually the beach is filling up pretty quickly. It is a Saturday. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and we will see you later.